students, look at the part C. Write the words needed to complete these sentences. Add ing or ed to your words where required. From the words came the dash of doves. Cooing of doves, because here it is not used as a verb, so we will add ing. Next one is the dash of the mice stopped when the cat entered. The dash of the mice stopped. You can see, students, that noun is present, verb is present, okay, here. So we will not make it again as a verb. We will not use it as a verb here, okay. So we will add ing here. So where it is used as a verb, we will add ed. Otherwise we will use ing, like the squeaking of the mice stopped when the cat entered. The dash of owls, in the same way as we did in number 2. The hooting of owls, because here hoot is not using as a verb, so we will add ing. The hooting of owls in the old ruins disturb my sleep. And the next one is the ducks dash. Students, here is the first when we will see that after noun we will use the verb. So here the ducks is a noun, and after noun we use the verb. So that's why we will add ed with the sound of quack. The ducks quacked loudly as they waddled to the pond. What could be more unmusical than the cawing of rooks? Here again we will add ing because it is not as a verb used here. The hunter sprang backwards when the snake hissed. Now again after noun we will use ed because it is used as a verb here. Hiss is used as a verb here, so we will add ed. The silence of the night was suddenly shattered by the dash of wolves. Here again it is not used as a verb, so we will add ing, okay. Howling. Bees were humming as they flew from flower to flower. So you know that were is used in continuous tenses, in past continuous tense. So so that's why we will add ing, okay. To make past continuous tense we need ing form with the first form of verb. So that's why, because of verb, we will add ing here, okay. Bees were humming as they flew from flower to flower. As the farmer's wife appeared, the geese began to cackle, okay. So here we will not add ed and ing here, okay, because noun and verb already present here, so we will write it as a sound, to cackle. The racehorse neat. After noun we will add ed because it is a verb. After noun it is a verb, so that's why we will add ed with the voice of horse. The racehorse neat with joy as the stable boy approached with its feet. So students, complete this page very carefully and neatly and learn this page. Take care.